So YouTube seems to love stories. So I've got a story too. So here we go. I started this channel, Yoga's Women, Food and Home, the one that you're viewing this on September 8th. And the reason why I started this channel, which is actually my second channel, I can get to that later in this segment. I started on September 8th, and when I launched it, I got 22 subscribers. And now, that was September 8th, today is September 23rd. I now have 22 subscribers. And not only that, they all say, post consistently, tell a story, draw people in, put together good content. I guess maybe I'm not doing that. I don't know. But I've got 22 subscribers after 12 videos and countless number of hours put into this thing that, you guys, I absolutely love YouTube. I like putting together content. I love getting in front of the camera. I love the scripting. I love the filming. I love the editing, not so much because it takes a long time to edit it, but I love the fact that when I'm through and I release it, and I love the feeling, the anticipation, and the expectation that this is going to be the one that is going to push my channel over the edge. And then I post it, and then I sit here and I watch it. And it's almost like time just stands still and absolutely nothing changes. So, to be honest with you, I don't know if I'm even going to post this video. But once again, YouTube likes stories. I see other people get out here and they tell stories, and they go from 10 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers based on that one little story time. And I'm like, okay, what do I have to lose but about 10 minutes of my life sitting here in front of the camera talking about woe is me, 2 weeks of YouTubing, 12 videos, countless number of hours, doing what I do with 22 subscribers. And this may actually be the one that will propel my channel upwards and onwards. But we shall see. So you guys, leave in the comments and let me know if you can relate, because this I will tell you. I will tell you this. I am not giving up. So if there is anybody out there that wants to know why YouTube, why don't quit, go back to, and I feel like I've done a video such as this before, but why not? Why stay in this game? And the reason why we stay in this game is because we are passionate about what we do. Okay. Nobody can do what we do because they're not us and we're not them. This is our perspective. Okay. This is our voice. This is our point of view. This is our space in the world that only we can occupy. Nobody else can occupy this space but us. So this is why we stay in it, and this is why we do what we do. And I think a lot of people have come to this particular point in their lives, okay, when COVID hit. COVID changed a lot of things. There were a lot of people that used to get up in the morning and, follow the status quo, their routine, and all of a sudden, that was pulled right out from underneath them. They no longer had that safety net, this job that they used to go to, okay, did not exist anymore. Just out of the blue, without any warning. And people had to make quick decisions as far as what the next looked like. But I will tell you exactly this. One of the things that people came to understand is the fact that they no longer wanted to rely on somebody else, okay, to determine their future, to determine whether or not they were going to make it in this world. That was a very uncomfortable place for people to be in, and they no longer wanted to be there or to feel what it was that they were feeling. So, YouTube, social media, afforded the opportunity, okay, to take control of their lives and their destiny. And this is exactly the reason why people just started doing what they're doing on social media. And it gave people the opportunity to really to be introspective and to ask that question that a lot of people just don't ask. And that is, what truly are you passionate about? You know, if you were given the time and the opportunity, which all of a sudden people were given the time and they were given the opportunity, what would you truly fill it with? And that's why people just started to go out on YouTube and go out on Instagram and TikTok and, just be who they are, be themselves. And once again, carve out this space for themselves. So, you guys, I started this video a little bit frustrated because it's hard. It really is difficult. Once again, it's like going to work, okay, for weeks on end, giving it your all. And at the end, okay, of that week, when you expect to get paid, you're expecting to get $1,000 and you get $1. Okay. That is the equivalent of how it feels when you do all of this and you're not, reaping the rewards. Seemingly, I'm going to say seemingly, because great things, okay, are brought together by a series of small things. And that's what this is. You start small, you continue to give it all that you need to give it, and you continue to build upon it. And before you know it, these small things become great things. All right. And that's exactly how we have to look at it. So, enough of the frustration. Dust yourselves off when you get to the point of sheer and utter frustration and wanting to throw in the towel, and go back to the whole reason why you are doing this in the first place. Encourage yourself. If nobody else will encourage you, go out to YouTube and find somebody's story out there where somebody is telling the story as to the reason why you should not quit, as to the reason why you should just start YouTube. There are 1,000,001 of them out there, okay, which is the reason why I'm sitting out here today and telling my story as well, because maybe somebody wants to hear my perspective, my point of view, and that's exactly why I am out here. So you guys, thank you for being along with me for this past 8 minutes or so. Hey, and maybe next time, okay, when you see one of my cooking videos, to draw people in, maybe I'm going to be holding a measuring cup in one hand and I'm going to be juggling, some rolling pins in the other. Okay, maybe that will get the views. Don't know, but you got to bring humor to life. And this was my maybe failed attempt to do exactly that. But at any rate, you guys, thank you so much once again for being here. This is my platform to talk to my audience out there and once again, just be me. So this is what I was feeling. This came from my heart. I want to thank each and every one of you that take the time out, okay, to stop by, watch my videos, comment, subscribe, and also share my videos. Thank you so very much, okay? Because if I reach one person, then I have accomplished a lot. So from my heart to yours, I love you guys. Thank you so much. And I'll see you real soon. And don't give up.